Welcome back to Living Dayton. If you're on the hunt for the best night's sleep, shopping for a new mattress doesn't have to be difficult, especially if you're working with the original Mattress Factory.
That's right, and joining us in this sponsored segment is President Greg Trzynski. It's so great to meet you today, Greg.
Nice to meet you both. Thanks for having me.
Of course, the best mattress truly makes a difference, especially when I might be a little cranky and need my sleep for sure. So we've got to ask, what makes you different than other mattress retailers?
Yeah, so the original Mattress Factory opened 35 years ago, and our goal was to sort of take the confusion out of mattress shopping, right? So a few different things. One is we're factory direct. We build our own mattresses. So from design, testing, all the way through manufacture, sales, delivery, we do it all. Two is we really came to the market with a customer first focus. It's not about what can we upsell you on. It's not about how can we trade you up or some gimmick we can sell. It's about helping you find the bed that's right for you when it's the right time for you to buy. And three is total transparency. Our prices are clearly marked. Our products, every one has a cutaway where you can see and feel and touch everything that goes in each mattress.
I love the way you said that, help make it less confusing.
Yeah.
Because it can be kind of overwhelming when you're mattress shopping. But, it feels like most mattress and furniture companies have sales every day. So would I be wrong in my perception there?
No, you're not wrong. I think the thing that happens is because a mattress is a purchase you don't make very frequently, you don't realize that there's a mattress sale every single week of the year. We watch it, right? So if I were to lay it out for you, you'd say, wait, these prices didn't change at all. But you're in the market every 5-10 years, and you're in the market for a couple of weeks, and so it's always the right time to buy a mattress, right? Because it's on sale this weekend only. Well, this weekend only is every single weekend. The reality is nothing magical happens on July 4th or President's Day or Halloween or whatever the day is that suddenly mattresses cost 50% less. It's not real. And so for us, it's, hey, go enjoy your barbecue, go enjoy, family, friends. Buy a mattress when you're ready, not because somebody said, today only.
That's a very different perception. I actually really appreciate that because you're right. It's year round that you could be shopping for a mattress.
Correct.
I love that saying. So especially when it comes to shopping for a mattress, what's your best wisdom of words there?
Yeah, especially in today's digital world, takes some time, and I know that's convenient, but instead of pointing or clicking or seeing who has the best reviews online, shop a mattress, bring your significant other, lay down on them, try them out, and plan to spend about an hour. Pretty quickly you can narrow the focus down to 2 or 3, and then spend 10 to 15 minutes on each one of those. And it's really important to try them how you normally sleep. So people come in and kind of press on the mattress and say, yeah, this one for me. Now lay down if you're side, stomach, back sleeper, try it out, and make sure that it works for you.
What I was going to say earlier was I was watching some of you guys' video right there, and I was like getting amazed by it. I want to talk about the importance of local. You guys are made in Cincinnati.
We're made in Cincinnati. We have 3 area stores, and again, I think it's not only made in Cincinnati, but we're an employee-owned company today. And so it's the folks that are working for us, helping you. They have a investment in this, and they're proud of what they do, and they're also people you work with, go to church with, see in the community, and so it's really important for us to be, to be local and to be part of that in Cincinnati and Dayton area.
So how can people find you?
Best way I think is online, www.originalmattress.com, and I think put in your address, it'll tell you which is the store closest to you.
Beautiful. Well, we actually did that. We've got the information right there on your screen. We've got the Dayton locations in this area. Be sure to go to that website at the bottom of your screen for more information. Thank you so much for coming in today, Greg.
Thanks for having me.
Of course. And this segment was sponsored by the original Mattress Factory.